Hello all, here I am underneath my FZR. It needs a good clean. I've started here. It looks like it's been ploughing fields, this thing. It's absolutely lathered in mud. The sprocket area is just horrendous. It's going to be a long day of cleaning, I think. The swing arm, it'll need powder coating. The shock, I'm going to send off to get refurbed because that's in a really bad state. Other than that, I'm just working forward. I'll get the swing arm back on the powder coaters, the subframe, and it'll all start coming together, I think.